This is the bus going to Puerto Princesa. Diyan tayo sasakay. Alis siya ng 8 o'clock. Time check, it's 11:11 and we finally arrived in Puerto Princesa. And mga kasi nyo, we are going to Puerto Princesa from Port Barton, and instead of using those vans, we will try taking this bus, non-aircon bus, to Puerto Princesa. So ito yung talaga sinasakit ng mga locals dito, and we would like to experience how long it takes, how much it costs, ano yung mga dadaanan sa pagsakay dito sa ordinary bus from Port Barton to Puerto Princesa. Tara na! Pas na tayo. Meron ng luto dito. Siguro hotdog at saka itlog. Kakanin. Breakfast na tayo dito sa Camp Backpackers. Sarap lagi pagkain doon dito. So we are ordering itlog at saka hotdog. Pero tempting yun. Ano lang, sarap. Breakfast na tayo. Itlog, hotdog. Dito sa Camp Backpackers. Dito kayo laging kakain doon. Malinis at mura. Masarap ang pagkain dito. So, checking out from Camp Backpackers. Highly recommended itong na to. Tinuluyan natin dahil napakalinis at very accessible, conveniently located, at ang babait ng mga tao. So next time, please check in dito sa Camp Backpackers. Katabi lang siya ng bus station. Nalalakarin lang natin. Malapit na malapit. So I'm going to El Nido. Port Barton to 600, Port Barton to Puerto Princesa, Hotel 550, Port Barton to Puerto Salvacion Terminal 40. Tourism bus. Isidro bus. Ito yung mga transportation. Meron kayong option whether van or bus. We will try the bus. 8 AM. How it looks like in the morning. Very busy. Very busy. Ang bus going to Puerto Princesa. Dito tayo sa Makay. Puerto Princesa bus. This is the bus going to Puerto Princesa. Diyan tayo sasakay. Alis siya ng 8 o'clock. Dito siguro sa harapan. Hindi tayo mo po. Ba muna tayo. Option naman kayo to take the vans. Ito yung mga vans papuntang Puerto Princesa. Pump size 450 Puerto Princesa, pero kung sa airport o direct sa hotels 550. Pero ito sasakyan natin SD Trans, alang daw 250 lang daw pamasahe, pero non-aircon at mabagal na siyempre ang takbo. Ito kaya ng 3 oras lang. Tayo baka 4 na oras at least. So we're actually taking the 8 o'clock train from Port Barton to Puerto Princesa. There are actually 2 trips per day, one in the morning and one in the afternoon. So it's located right at the terminal, which is beside some backpackers service station. It's 7:46, maybe. Hopefully the bus will leave on time and will be arriving maybe after 4 hours sa may Robinson South. So tingnan natin. Dito pag umaga, very busy. Ito yung mga turista either papuntang Puerto Princesa or El Nido. Ayan, kasabay natin kahapon sa bus. Check the social. Ayos na tayo. Here's the bus going to Puerto Princesa. Nanti jangan. Ajay? Ajay jalan? already the junction papunta Puerto Princesa. And then pwede maghintay sa isang bus papuntang Port Barton. So it's about 40 minutes ang travel time sa Forest. So time check, it's 9:33 and we're having a 10-minute break. We're probably 2 hours away from Puerto Princesa. This one going to Dumaran. So, bumili tayo na snacks dito sa stopover. 10 minutes. So, nakakatuwa. Yung the usual stopover sa mga ibang lugar na talagang mga restaurant. Ito, tindahan lang talaga. Ito yung bus natin. I think alis na siya in a while. I think sa kanya tayo.
mall. McDonald's. McDonald's. Okay.
So time check, it's 11:11 and we finally arrived in Puerto Princesa. Travel time is 3 hours and 10 minutes. So I thought the bus is going to Robinson, so we are ready to take another transfer going to Puerto Princesa. Integrated bus terminal, and this is our bus. We're going to take the jeep proper. Siguro sila. Kaya sa may McDonald's. Sa may Quezon.
Ilan?
Hello mga kasenyor, nandito na tayo sa Puerto Princesa Airport and we're about to leave for Manila. So I'm glad that this morning I was able to finally try yung bus from Port Barton all the way to Puerto Princesa. So bus is very convenient. It's available twice a day, 8 o'clock and 1:30 p.m. and it will travels from Port Barton via Rojas all the way to Puerto Princesa. Sabi nila matagtag lang yung bus, pero based on my experience, hindi naman. The drive went out very smoothly. Ang galing ng driver na nasakay namin. Meron lang 1 or 2 stopovers, very short stopovers. Although hindi siya air conditioned, maganda naman yung hangin dahil presko naman at hindi mainit tulad sinasabi. Ang advantage ng pagsakay ng bus para sa akin, lalo sa akin na 6-footer, yung space. Unlike if you ride the van, talagang siksikan lagi lahat sa loob. Also, yung cost, if you're taking the van from Port Barton to Puerto Princesa, the fare is about 550 going to the airport. But in our case, the fare is only 250 and with senior discount, it's 200 pesos. Although ang terminal is sa Irawan, we were able to take a jeepney going to the city center. So, yun, based on my experience, worth riding the bus from Port Barton to Puerto Princesa. So, may alternative na tayo instead of using the overpriced vans na talagang siksikan. So with that, I'd like to thank you for joining me in this ride. Travel while you can. Until the next vlog. See you soon.